Welcome back to another Dessert King video.
Today we are going to be making giant chocolate chip cookies. Alright, and you're going to put 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of regular sugar and put them in there and get an electric mixer out.
With butter.
Yeah, with 1 stick of softened butter. Mix it. There we go. And then you're gonna add 1 egg. It looks kind of disgusting right now, but it's just the color of the brown sugar. And then you're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It says mix well. And there's the first half. Alright, and then you're going to set this aside. And then you're going to add 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Couldn't find our salt, so we're just using it from the shaker. That and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix that with a whisk. Alright, and then we're going to add a small bit of this and mix it. Alright, so let's put it in. And put on the timer for 11 minutes.
Let's try some. It's really good.
Because you're not supposed to eat raw egg. Raw egg tastes disgusting, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to record for myself.